Hi, I'm Jay Seville, the owner of JustNewListings.com Realty. I branched off from RE/MAX last year to open my own company and brought several agents with me, and things are going quite well with 36 and 37 transactions the last 2 years. Since the average agent does 6, I can't complain. I wanted to address the subject with you, one that I am passionate about, and that is selecting a real estate agent. Since my website gets 3,000 unique visitors a day and about 20 registrations a day, I am in contact with lots of people, and it never ceases to amaze me how many people just float around and then they want to see a home, and whoever happens to show up to show them the home, if they like it, they write a contract with that realtor, etc. And meanwhile, they have no clue who this realtor is. They don't know if they're any good, etc. They just happen to be there at the right time. It's called epiphany marketing. But it's certainly, if you're a consumer, if you're out there thinking about buying a house and actually out there ready to view property, you need to have your brain turned on. You need to be aggressive and defensive about your financial interests and lifestyle choices, etc. There is so much to this subject about how to choose an incredible agent. You've read probably several cheesy articles on this subject. I mean, that's usually the subject, how to choose a real estate agent. Most of them are junk and shallow and give no depth at all. They're only for the sake of blowing smoke you know where. So I'm going to go into this with you, and by the time you're done watching this video, you will be a much more empowered consumer. Some of the points I'm going to make you've heard before, but you haven't gone into detail of what's behind them, or I have other points that I can guarantee you've never considered before. Some of them are not even comfortable to talk about, but it's the real world, and when you have so much money at stake, it's important to be informed as a consumer.